to show you how to make 3 pistols. 3 kind pistols. And this is... Hello guys! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pistol with 3 different kinds. This is pistol 1.0. Ulit. Teka, ulit. Hello guys! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a snake puzzle pistols with 3 different kinds. First, this is pistol 1.0 and this is pistol 2.0, and next is 3.0, which I am going to do today. So here's the first step. The first step. Second step. Third step. Fourth step. Fifth step. Seventh step. Eighth step. And this is the 1.0 gun. Now, next is the 2.0 gun. 8th step, and this is the 2.0 gun. And the next one is the 3.0 gun. 9th step. Now here's the 3.0 gun. Bang. Bye! Enjoy the show and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment please.
And ring the bell.
Especially that too. Bye!